of truth and purity as we move forward. Dios kaskoku, apala kuyan, alapaway, kuwi sa koko, sukutunahon, utayaga mayo, stekayu, ulail, aoteo. Let us be calling our enemy our brother and sister. Because how can we kill our brothers and sisters? Let's look at our natural world as they or thou. They are our relatives here in this world. What we do to ourselves, we do to everyone. So let's walk in that place of beauty. Amen.
There you go.